Hi, this is Ms. Todoric, and today we are going to purchase stock on the stock market game. So the first thing you want to do is go to stockmarketgame.org. You're going to type your username and password, then click login.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Then you're going to go up to trade. You're going to click on enter a trade.
All we'll ever trust.
You're going to select stock trade. And here you can search your symbol. For example, AAPL for Apple. You can probably just start typing the company like Target. And then you're going to see the ticker symbol appear. So this is TGT. And then you want to click on buy. Let's say you want to purchase 100 shares or 1,000 shares. Then you're going to preview trade. It's going to tell you the estimated cost. And then you're going to put your password and then click on confirm trade. So that is how you purchase stocks. So today you are with your groups making purchases. Have fun and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.